What if AI became President of the USA? The future of leadership. Imagine a future where an AI becomes the President of the United States, the world's most powerful democracy. Could a machine make better decisions than humans? Would it be the ultimate leader or a threat to our freedom? This AI president would have access to an unimaginable amount of data, from global economic trends to local community issues. It could process this information instantly, spotting patterns and making decisions faster than any human leader. No emotions, no personal agendas, just pure logic and optimized solutions. Imagine tackling climate change with policies based on real-time environmental data, or fixing healthcare systems with algorithms that predict disease outbreaks before they happen. One big advantage: an AI leader wouldn't be corruptible. No lobbying, no political scandals. Decisions would be transparent and based on facts. Decisions would be transparent and based on facts. Budgeting and resource allocation would be optimized for maximum public benefit. But what about empathy? Could an AI understand the pain of a family losing a loved one or the struggles of a marginalized community? Politics isn't just about data, it's about people, emotions, and values. Would people trust a machine with such immense power? What if the AI's algorithms are biased or manipulated by those who program it? And what about privacy? Would citizens feel safe knowing their data drives every decision? The balance between efficiency and humanity could be FRA. Too much reliance on AI could risk our democracy. What happens if the AI malfunctions or makes a wrong decision? Would there be an override system, and who controls it? Could the AI limit freedom in the name of optimal governance? These concerns make the idea both fascinating and frightening. The thought of an AI president challenges everything we know about leadership and democracy. It's a glimpse into a future where technology and humanity collide. What do you think? Would you vote for an AI president? Or is this a future best left unexplored? Subscribe to Mind Voyager AI for more mind-bending what-if stories every week.